Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
In this video, I will explain how to use PayPal on Netflix. First, you must have an active Netflix subscription and a verified PayPal account. It is crucial to ensure your PayPal account has a linked and confirmed funding source, such as a bank account or credit card. You will need to access Netflix through a web browser on your computer or mobile device to make these payment adjustments, as this process cannot be done directly within the Netflix application itself. Begin by logging into your Netflix account using a web browser on your computer or smartphone, not through the app. Once logged in, navigate to the top right corner of the screen and click on your profile icon. From the drop-down menu that appears, select the Account option. On the Account page, scroll down until you find the Membership and Billing section, where you can manage your payment information. Inside the Membership and Billing section, click on Manage Payment Information to proceed. You will then see an option to add payment method. Select this to introduce a new way to pay. Among the various choices presented, carefully select PayPal as your preferred new payment method. Netflix will then securely redirect you to the official PayPal website, where you will complete the next steps of linking your accounts. Upon being redirected, securely log into your PayPal account using your credentials. Carefully review the presented authorization details to ensure you understand what information Netflix will access. Once satisfied, confirm the payment link, which securely connects your PayPal account to your Netflix subscription. After confirming, you will be automatically redirected back to your Netflix account page, where you should see a confirmation message indicating the successful update.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.